Hey guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video we are going to talk about Boeing Detects 787 defects and how to identify different versions of Dreamliners. So before we begin, make sure you guys subscribe to our channel and like this video for more videos like this in the future. The Boeing company has found manufacturing defects on some 787 long-range airliners in areas where parts of the fuselage are jammed. Report reveals that 8 planes must be inspected and repaired before they are allowed to fly. Boeing declined to identify the airlines involved, but United Airlines, Air Canada, and Singapore Airlines confirmed that it has one plane grounded for inspection. Boeing said that it discovered 2 distinct manufacturing issues towards the rear of certain 787s. That means the planes don't meet design standards. The source of the newly discovered structural issue has been traced to a melting point inside the aft fuselage between 2 carbon fiber composite barrels known as section 47 and 48, where the 2 barrels meet with a large bulkhead that caps the pressurized cabin. The 787, which Boeing calls the Dreamliner, entered service at many airlines in 2011 and became popular for longer routes because of size and fuel efficiency. Boeing has delivered nearly 1,000 of them. In 2013, planes were grounded worldwide for 3 months after battery packs on 2 of them found overheated. Now we will tell you the differences of different models of 787s. The Dash 8 was designed to succeed the 767, being of similar size but with a 20% greater fuel efficiency. In order to give airlines greater flexibility, the Dash 9 was developed at the same time, with the planned delivery date a couple of years after the introduction of the Dash 8. In fact, Boeing imagined that the customers would rather fly direct from their start to endpoints without having to connect via a major hub. To fulfill this prediction, the 787 program was created. The only real observable difference between the Dash 8, Dash 9 and Dash 10 from the outside is the length. The increased length is created by adding fuselage sections either side of the wing. This increase in length creates space in the cabin for an extra 38 passengers from the Dash 8 to Dash 9 and 20 passengers from Dash 9 to Dash 10. The extra length of the Dash 9 creates space for 8 more containers than on the Dash 8. This can either be used for extra passenger baggage or, as is more common, to carry cargo. However, from the passenger's perspective, there is very little to notice. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, so make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.